Okay. Genitive IRISH cardja agus Tamwa Jarash Lumsa Cathal Werhu agus Karen Green. Chacht Ella Ianu on our Cludge GAEILGE. We're back again, folks, with Karen and myself to do another quick basic Irish language lesson on some very easy, simple phrases. Okay, Karen, how are you? You well? What's your gama?
Tá gama, Trinona gama, agus atá vein.
Yeah, Tom gama agat. Bhí sé an floch inniu nach raibh?
Itá sé scamalachí drohadí drohad bad, yeah.
Droch amsir a bhí an inniu. Anyway, ceart galore. Or scorer bay. Okay, today's lesson is going to be we're going to touch on things like the genitive case of nouns. The genitive is when if you're referring to a noun, like of the something, it takes the genitive. For example, your hair is gruig, but your share of hair, as you refer to your hair, is mochuj gruige, and arigid becomes mochuj arigij, and there's a school in Belfast called Skull and Drochid. Now, Drochid for bridge, as in Drochidaha, it's Drochid. But the Drochid school, the bridge school, is Skull and Drochid. So that's the interesting thing about Irish, that they change into the genitive. Into the genitive if you're talking to, referring to, of the thing. And also in this, we'll see a wee bit like we're going to touch on masculine and feminine nouns, which you get a lot in Irish. You don't get that in English. You get a bit of it in French as well. Okay, yeah. So it's one of the interesting things about Irish, and we'll touch on it briefly here. Okay, I will do same as before, Karen. I'll say it in English, and if you abershin arish, arash arish, in Gaelic, little hole. Okay. So the first one is, and Kate Kun, do you like beer?
On why not beer?
Right, it would be an moilat bior.
Bior, probably not.
Yeah, so it's
moilat bior.
An moilat bior, yeah.
Moilat bior, right, okay.
Bior is actually a borrowed word from the Norse Vikings. It came over. The original word for beer in Irish is lan, Lean, like old ale. Guinness dark beer is known as landu. But bior was taken in by the Vikings, and it's kind of where we get the word beer from. Right, okay, and my lad Bjor, fine. Next one. And Kid Canella, I was drinking beer last night.
Vime ag o Bjork arer.
Yeah, Vime ag o Bjork arer. Now, you see the way the beer changes from Bjor to Bjork? That's because it is the genitive. It's the genitive case of beer. So people would ask, you're drinking, it's literally you are drinking of beer. That's why it is that. So you're drinking of beer. That's where it gets the genitive. It's not drinking beer because there's loads of beer. You're not drinking. There'll be loads of beer left. So you're drinking of beer.
Right. Okay.
And some people in old-fashioned English might even say that. Are you drinking of beer? So that's where that comes from. And arer is the word for last night. So vime agol biorach arer. Abershin arish Karen little. Say it again.
Vime agol Bjork arer.
Bjork arer, yeah. Ndoigh, okay. Next one, and Céad Ceann Ella. Cabal tú agaibh. Where are you working?
Cabal tú agaibh.
Cabal tú agaibh. Ndoigh, very good. And Céad Ceann Ella. I am working in Dublin and I like my work.
Tá mé gobar I máile á clia, agus is might lam mar cuid ever.
Anawa, yeah. Tá mé gobar I máile á clia. After the you always eclipse. So it's like egoni, I máile á clia, ml first, you always put the eclipse letter in, which you did right. And you said, it's moilum mochuj ibra. It's literally, I like my share of work. So work, the noun for work is uber. So if you were saying, it's moilum an uber, I like the work. But if you're saying, I like my work, it's mochuj ibra, not mochuj uber.
All right, okay.
Uber is O-B-A-I-R. Ibre is O-I-B-R-E, so Muchij Ibre, my share
Yeah.
of work. Inta mai, Kid Kyon, Allah. I like the library.
Is míle an leabharlan?
Yeah. Lower land as in other places like Bealan,
Áharlan.
Victorland, what was it? What did you say?
Áharlan. Áharlan.
Aherland Hospital, yeah. They're all feminine nouns. So a school is feminine as well. So places are generally feminine. And we'll see a little bit about that now in the next one. So you said that Aber Ismailam and Lowerland, or Doi. Where is the library's cat?
Cáhfuil cat na leabharlanna?
Yeah. Or Doi. Yeah, you were right. That's correct. It's in card Agat. So it's the library's cat is literally the cat of the library. So because it's of the library, library takes the genitive. So lower land becomes lower linear.
Yeah.
So just practice that, Karen. Lower linear.
Is that L-I-N-N-E or L-A-N-N-A?
L-A-I-N-N-E, lower linear.
Oh, right, I spelled it wrong. Okay.
So say it again.
Cáhfuil cat na lower linear?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's it. For perfect. Lower land becomes lower linear. Bealan would become Bealinia. Oherland would be Oherlinia. Right, and obviously because it is a feminine noun, if you're referring to a feminine noun, it's cut in the lower linear. It's not cut and lower linear. So the feminine ones take the na instead of the an.
Yeah, because it's a plural. It's a possessive.
Yes, and because it's feminine. If it had been a masculine one, it would have been an. Far for man is masculine, so the man's cat is cut an ear, not cut na ear. Fear is plural. Fear is the genitive of far.
Mm-hmm.
And you aspirate it, so it's cut an ear. The man's cat. Okay, and Kate Clonella, where is the school?
Cáhfuil an skull.
Yeah, and skull. Now, where is the school book?
Cáhfuil leabhar an skull.
No, it's lower. I changed that.
Alright.
It's Caldwell lower na Sculla.
Right.
I think you must have the one before I made the changes.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it's Caldwell lower na Sculla. Because school is a feminine noun, the genitive of it is na Sculla, not an. So it's a feminine noun, it's Caldwell lower na Sculla. If it was where's the library's book, it was Caldwell lower na lower linear.
Yeah.
Okay, so Abershinarisht, where is the school book?
Cáhfuil leabhar na sculla.
Yeah, you need to write that down.
Yeah.
Scríb síos an sin. Cáhfuil lower na Sculla. Skull being the feminine noun there. Again, if it was man as a masculine noun, it would be lower an ear. Because it's feminine, it's lower na Sculla. Okay, I went to the women's toilets.
Cúig mé go dtí leithris an man.
No, it's leithris na man. I've changed.
Probably, na man, okay.
Dahri me sin, I changed that for you.
Yeah.
You didn't put that in. It's lower, it's hui me go dtí leithris na man. Same as common na man. There was the association, the women's association. Common na man, yeah?
Yeah.
So
yes.
Leihirish na man. Man being the genitive of women. The genitive plural. Leihirish na man. Okay, she ate her breakfast.
She a breakfast.
No, yes. She a breakfast.
Right.
How do you say he ate his breakfast?
She a breakfast.
Yeah, if it was his breakfast, it would be a breakfast.
Yeah.
But because it's hers, it's a breakfast. A always aspirates, her doesn't aspirate. That's how you know the difference. Another phrase for breakfast is caidfrin.
Caidfrin, never heard that.
First meal, literally.
Oh, right. Okay.
Or cudged than imagine. Imagine is morning. Of the morning is namagina. Cudge is another word for a meal. Cudge, you could say.
Right.
Huckula or okay, I was awake at 7 and I got up then.
Bhí mé imór dúiseacht ag a seacht agus dúin mé an sin.
Or dóigh, yeah. The spirit. Bhí mé im a ghúilseacht agus seacht agus déirí mé in sin. Or muscle mé. Bhí mé or wuscailt. I woke up. Dúiseacht is more of a monster word, I think. Whereas muscle,
right.
you could say bhí mé ar muscailt. I was awoke. Okay, I went to the shop and I bought a book.
Cúig mé go dtí an siopa agus ceannaigh mé leabhar.
Yeah. Foifra, perfect. I do not like fish. I prefer chicken. I enjoyed it a lot.
Ní mhaidlam iasc is fearr lam sicín. Bhain mé teatnamh as go leor.
Yeah, say my, yeah. You could say win me tatnav as galore, or you could say win me salt as, or win me soup as, win me antatnav as, or hatchin she lum. It was enjoyed with me. So loads of ways of saying you enjoyed.
Alright, okay.
Ní moilam is farlam shikin. Yeah. So ní moilam, I don't like. Is farlam, I prefer.
Yeah.
Literally, it's best with me. Okay, Karen, that was very good. Just to work on the
nouns.
there's actually a very good little tutorial on Duolingo for genitives, and you'll get all them in that. Practice away at that. All right, Clark galore.
Thank you. Gormagas.
Okay, well, I'll put this up on the web, and if anybody has any other questions or comments, don't forget to put them in the comment section. Agus béma jarash agyon shaktana le kacht ala. I'll be back. We will be back within a week. Agyon shaktana, not shaptan, shaktana.
Yeah.
Le kacht ala ayanav with another lesson to do. Okay? Right, Karen? Good day.
Oh my God.
Good day and shit. Slán lot. Slán